Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
See Adamko, see me I did dormitory. But you see this Akuapem Poloo in situation, they are not the one talk some, but the truth be saying sentence Akuapem Poloo no be there, one yard. If you guys don't sentence somebody, you wanna go sentence number one. Number one, a chingana fuedi. Forget the guilty or not guilty. Number one, a chingana fuedi. If number one, go arrest them. If number one still they walk around in Ghana, the one shows say when I get some child abuse support system, we actually they protect kids. Wanna go protect your friends. Wanna go catch number one. Because there are so many kids that parents actually go invest in immense good way or might break your heart. Number one sport plenty homes. Plenty homes number one sport. Why I don't go catch number one? Secondly, Akuapem Poloo, the picture where she upload, it wasn't violence. She no beat nobody. He be naked alright, but she no beat nobody. It's not a violent crime for you to actually sentence the girl. One man a fine be known to your uncle and you have a better Ghana for more drain and more law. And I'm more system here, more law change America for. On prison better. Ghana most our prison system with me. Money be. All sentencing and all show ne kwa de ge ne kuno. Na ne bano so one kwa ne bano. Ana beso sentence again because we upload the picture. Picture no kwa mbie ni twim. Picture we mbie ni twim. Ma sha picture no picture we mbie ni twim. So why wanna for sentence some 3 years for posting aden akwala no chima akwala no mo ne chima akwala no. When you ne chima akwala no. Or maybe some chop money soon film. So the Ghana system, that human right whatever. You guys have every right to do your job. But you guys are just trying to set an example out of Akuapem Poloo, maybe because she's loud on the internet, or maybe when I know they like how she's doing things. Ejuma Ghana and Akuapem Poloo come in the internet to me. Ejuma di Ghana is not young by force actress. The one survive. The girl is surviving. Free Akuapem Poloo. It's not right. If you guys say freedom and justice, there's freedom to post and do your thing. The post, she didn't threaten nobody. If she, but man, she cautious Snapchat and confirm one day a did a warm with him. That was Snapchat. Cramp and got your moon too. Ah, only Ghana guess on the baby warm with him. No, be a couple upload the friends on any back photo shoot or more. On that dream, when say clear, why are the papa? We're gonna stop that sense. We're gonna live prison life. Then is me tell you, I'm going to cramponka. Bye bye.